I'm going to put my phone
So
away.
I hurt my leg a little bit. I don't know if it's bleeding. It might be. Good state to me. My man's going to go nuts. I got a leaf for camouflage. This is Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. This is Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. This is Halloween. Everybody make a scream. Na 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 na. I don't know the lyrics, guys. So, in this vlog, it's Halloween. Obviously, you're going to see this after Halloween because I can't record it and upload it on Halloween when Halloween is already late. Don't know, that doesn't make any sense. But yeah, today is Halloween 2022. We're gonna show you some decorations. We're gonna get dressed up. We're gonna do some trick or treating. We got Doc coming over. We're gonna have some pizzas, and it's going to be a jolly good time. And you are invited to the Spudboys Halloween party. It's not really a party. It's just a bunch of us getting together. I say a bunch of us, 4 of us. When I say 4 of us, I'm talking about me, Amanda, Logan, and Dot. And we're gonna wander around the streets. So we're gonna show you some cool displays around just this area. So yeah, so hopefully this is going to be a good one, guys. If you are here, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in a momentarily. Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Say hello to our mate. What's his name?
Harry.
This is Harry, the dead clown. So we're currently doing our Halloween decorations. We're going to hang Harry out the window. There's a spider there.
I was thinking.
It's for Halloween! So this is a little bit of coordination. So what are we doing? How are we doing this?
It's not going to work, is it? Like, once you hang him upside down.
We have to face that way though, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, what do you reckon?
I think that's quite cool. I can't really see what it looks like on this side though. Looks alright. Logan's put his things up in his window, look.
I had lights.
There's the pumpkins they made. That's Amanda's and that's Logan's.
Mine looks spooky as hell.
You look excited for Halloween?
Yeah.
Turn them round. That's quite funny.
Nah.
So this is Halloween, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna have a little wander around later. We're gonna do some trick or treating, and we're gonna show you guys some of the decorations that we have
Have a look at this.
around. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it in the day, mate. We do it in the night, okay? We'll do it in the night. We'll do it in the night when we make a proper vlog of Halloween 2022. So apparently there has been a little bit of a development with outside. I'm gonna go check it out. So we've got stuff all over the door. Look, has like black web for the queen feet by there. Queen, the witch. You got that going on in there. Logan put in some white spiders on stuff. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. Actually, guys. Normally, see at Halloween, we don't normally do anything. Go on, mate. We don't normally set up, do we? Halloween, really? Come on.
We have the last couple of years.
Have we?
Yeah.
What is this beast? What is this beast? Look how excited he is. Hiya, mate. Ah, what's he doing? He's performing for the camera. What are you doing, Ed? What are you doing, mate? Copyright. Oh, it's in, mate. Trick or treat, mate. Trick or treat. I'm a bastard, ain't I? You are? You fucking what, mate? You fucking what, mate? Do you really wanna taste it? What's going on must come down. Do you really wanna taste it? Na 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 na. I'm Justine, winner of the... Ah! You stole my hat! And I'm a good boy. I've done all of the dishes. Because I'm a good boy. Right, guys, you want to see what Logan's dressed up for Halloween? Ready? What did Pennywise say, mate?
Hello, Georgie.
Hiya, Judgy. Oh, bloody hell. He looks awesome. Thank you, mate.
Okay.
Henry,
What's that, bud?
Did he frighten you? Did you frighten him? Did he go?
No. He just laughed at him.
I was gonna say, oh mate, your Halloween costume's really scary. But he walked off before I could do it. What an horrific
Take a picture,
beast!
Yeah. Got him?
I got him. You're gonna scare everyone with that. Look at his little
See him,
waddle.
Henry, you are
Funny.
babes. You are.
We're all ready, guys. I'm just wearing this mask though. I'm not gonna put anything scary on. And a hoodie. Oh, look at that one.
Good daddies, I got before. Nothing. There's a bell there. What's the bell?
What was that?
Oh, they've probably gone full out with this one.
Like you won't do all that. Look at that. That's
Oh,
really
wow.
good, Dad, isn't it?
I don't know where people get them
And the
joints
coffin.
spiders.
Look at that.
And the coffin.
It's like American.
Where's coffin?
A skeleton in it.
Please don't wake the dead. I like that.
What's that say? Got my mask back on, guys. Can't you tell? Let's put my hood up. Not gonna lie though, I can't see anything when I got the mask on. It dehumanizes me, I think, a little bit. You can't see my beautiful face. Ow! I've got the legs out. So in one of my sorry, I can't speak. In one of my upcoming vlogs, you notice that I'm trying to stretch my leg because there's something wrong with it. And today it's proper gone. Like for some reason, right? The back of my leg here, like my calf, is proper like. It feels like it's like on the bone now. So every time I walk, it hurts, and it sucks. But you know, so far so good. We're just gonna, as it's daylight, I'm gonna come back around in a minute, and I'm gonna show you some of the Halloween decorations around where I live. On Logan's stash. So look at your stash. Oh, there you go. Got loads, mate. I'm trying a little bit of a stretch, guys. Trying to stretch on this fence. It's like under there. It's like in the middle, but like underneath. I don't think it's my muscle. It must be my muscle, but it also feels like it's like my bone. Maybe I've broken a bone all the walking I've been doing. Oh, look at this. I don't know if you can see because it's getting quite dark, but look at the cloud. It's gonna bloody piss down now. So it's starting to get a bit dark now. The plan is we're gonna walk Dot back home. Then when I come back then, and we're gonna just have a look at some of the display in the dark, because in the day the displays look good, but obviously in the dark everything's lit up and it look a little bit better. And as you can tell, guys, I've had a shave, I've had a trim. So yeah, funny little story. I don't know if you can see it. My family's left me, by the way. They've just left me wandering around. Here there's like a little tube. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's too dark. And I used to tell Logan a Pennywise lived down there, and he's now Pennywise for Halloween. So it's all fun. It's all fun and games, isn't it? So we're now walking down Corporation Road to Dots, and we're going to see if we can find any houses on the way. But yeah, as you can see, it's pretty busy down here, and everything. I just think everything seems to pop in the dark. I just like dark stuff. And I will be doing another vlog, which I haven't made yet, but it is a plan, where I walk from Pill into town centre at night. Because night vlogs are fun just as well as day vlogs. But it's a bit more spooky in the dark. So someone's drawing a Pennywise look. I don't know if you can see it because it's too dark. Have a look at that. Guys, if that's too dark, then you're not going to be able to see it on the film. You've got a dodgy eye. Well guys, that vlog was cut short because of this. As you can see. But it's pissing down. That smells nice out here. Oh, someone's cooking. Yeah, but unfortunately guys, we were coming back from Dots and it started raining. And it started raining pretty bad. Like I don't know if you can see my shoulders, but I am literally soaked. Godzilla! So we're going through Logan's haul and someone has given us this. Don't know what it is. What was it? What was the packaging, man? Can I see the packaging?
It's called a caramel log. Where's the packaging though? Oh, it's on the floor over there.
Caramel log. It's a caramel log. Crunchy biscuit. Well.
Is it like one of those wafer bars?
That's nice.
Mum, you want it?
No.
You can have it, Dad.
Show me what you got there, mate.
I did have a load of, what do you call them, the purple ones.
Can we see? Show me.
Oh, okay.
Have you gone through it?
Yeah, we've had a little look, yeah.
Only a little.
Hold tight, because obviously this is not going to be the end of the vlog. I can't just make like a 10-minute vlog. I have to make a little bit longer for you guys. So I am going to insert a clip of when me and Louise went for a little walk and I almost died. Roll clip, Mike, roll clip. And today we are heading in this direction. You can't really see it. I've been there before, the abandoned malt mill, but I haven't been there in the dark. I'm a little bit nervous, but Louise is super nervous, which makes me feel mighty. So straight ahead is the abandoned mill. You can see it in the distance. Now, from what I remember, right, there's a way in just over by the fence. There's like a fence which has been destroyed, but it looks like they've rebuilt the fence. So I do not know. How you feeling, Lou? You okay? Nervous. Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. You have me, Mighty Mike. But honestly, if there is anything scary over there, I'm going to be the first one to get the fuck out of there. Oh, hang on. Where's he going? Where's that guy going? Right then. So, oh shit, he's going where we're going. I don't know. Prisoner. Right, so a guy has just gone where we're gonna go. I'm a little bit nervous now.
I'm terrified, I'm not gonna lie.
Right. Well, we know he's over there, so we're gonna have to go there as well. Oh. Oh no. He looked alright though. He seemed alright, didn't he? Yeah, it was like a train thing, isn't it? Like a train track thing. It has made me a little bit nervous now that we've seen this guy go over there. So we went in by here. Oh, I don't know now. Because we've seen someone go in there. What do we do? What do we do, guys? Do we go? But the thing is, there's no light. He didn't have a light. And the thing is, he looked like a worker.
I thought he was a prisoner with the orange.
No, he's not a prisoner, is he?
Like,
He might be. Oh well, guys, let's do it. Let's see what happens. We're on it, guys. thought this torch was going to be brighter, to be honest. Okay. Oh shit. I think I broke my leg, Lou. Hang on a second. Hang on, fuck. Oh my god, my fucking camera's broke. No, I think I broke my camera. Right guys, I just had a bit of a tumble. I hope I caught it on film, to be honest. My camera is full of mud. Lou, can I just show everyone on my camera? See the weigh-ins by there. Oh, Lou, there's someone in there. I don't want to go in there.
This is way too scary. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it scared me.
Hiya mate, you right?
Okay.
Yeah. We're just having a look. What's in there, mate?
It used to be the old Black and Clawsons, used to be.
What is it?
Used to be Black and Clawsons here.
Right, okay.
Yeah, used to be, on the other side used to be all like wasteland for steel works like it was. Black and Clawsons.
What's in there now?
Nothing. It used to be those flat
Is anyone in there?
A couple of people tossing in there, just fucking took water all over there.
Oh, okay.
Some bottles of water, like, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so be careful.
They're okay, aren't they?
What's that?
They'll be alright, you know, if we just have a little look around.
I go there, yeah, but be careful in there, mind.
I just fell over, look.
Yeah, be careful in there, it's all chip hazard.
Okay.
Yeah, just go stick to the bottom, mate, in there.
Alright. Okay. Cheers, mate. Okay. It was very pleasant. Very pleasant indeed. Right, let me sort my camera out, Nick. Could go by the light a minute?
I'm gonna put my phone
So
away.
I hurt my leg a little bit. I don't know if it's bleeding. It might be. Good state. I mean, my head's gonna go nuts. I got a leaf for camouflage. Okay. Okay. I don't want to go in there. Why?
More better numbers.
Or do you want to go to another destination? Somewhere different. Go home, clean up, and we go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Do you want to do that? Do you want to just have a look by there then? Just try not to fall. Guy's brave mind, isn't he, going in here? I don't know. Come in. Come in. Harken your voices.
Okay.
There's people coming. People in there. God, I can't believe I fucking fell by here. I fell by here, look.
No, I'm not surprised though. Look at it. There's so much meat. Oh god. I don't know how I'm gonna get over this.
Now let me go first.
Yeah.
I can help you up then.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's not too bad actually. I help you, mate. Do you know what? I actually tripped
Yeah?
over the fucking carpet.
You did, didn't you?
You okay? You okay?
Oh, sorry.
Here we go. So there are people in there. I think if we had food and drinks and stuff and water, then I'd be okay. Because
And
then,
maybe like 5-6 other people with us.
and if someone said something, we'd be like, "Oh mate, we're bringing you food." Okay. So guys, that was a massive fail. I can't believe I fucking fell over. My knee's killing, hang on. Let me have a look at my knee, Lou. Hold the light. To see if we've caused injury. Shine a lot on my knee. Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, just go and get past this.
A little bit, mate. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is not the end of the vlog. Because we're going to go back, we're going to clean up, and then we're going to head back out when I'm all freshened up. You okay? What's the matter? That was good.
That was terrifying.
Only because there was people in there. Like, if we didn't see that guy go in there, we would have gone in there.
Yeah.
So anyway, he kind of saved us. There you go, guys. Who said these vlogs are not funny? It's not too bad, guys, look. Not you, mate. Not you. My boo-boo. I don't know why it looks like that. It looks like I've been shot with a pelican. But that is my scar wound when I fell. I hit my elbow as well, but I'm mad. Ooh-wee. Would you just look at that? So, ladies and gentlemen, it is currently Bonfire night. It is the 5th of November. You've seen the Halloween. You've seen me and Louise failed attempt of trying to get into a what's it called? The malt house. But we're gonna go finish this vlog now by going to the top of Caerphilly Mountain to look at the pretty fireworks. Hopefully there's gonna be some nice fireworks. Hopefully I'm not too dark. Am I too dark? Hey mate. So yeah, so thank you so much for getting to this point if you are still here. And yeah, let's go and have a look at some fireworks, today, mate. Well, you've all seen me be demoted. I am now, oh, look at the flicker. Right. I'll try not to use that torch then. Don't like the hurts, don't like the flickering. I've now been promoted.
For one night only.
Only for one night though. God damn, yours look sexy.
Yeah, I think that's as far as it goes.
I've been demoted. I've been demoted to the back seat again. It's not fair. So we went up to the mountain, and it was rammed up there, so we couldn't get a parking space. We've got a funny feeling if we don't go somewhere quick, we're gonna miss it all. The fireworks will be over. Oh, what a bloody disaster! Oh, some fireworks. Let's record something. This is actually a little bit of a disaster, ladies and gentlemen. We thought we were going to book a Caerphilly Mountain, and it was dead. But we have found something probably that sounds cool. We are currently at Clanbraddock and Pill Pant. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Oh, wow. Look at that, mate. I've got a torch. Just want to have a look at this. Have a look at this waterfall, ladies and gentlemen. I want to show you something good at the end of this vlog. Oh wow! Ah, it's pretty cool. It goes up quite high. There you go. Look. Clanbraddock. Wow, that was pretty impressive. I would like to say so myself. Now, if for some reason this vlog doesn't end on a happy ending, it doesn't end well, at least you got to see the best waterfall in all of Clanbraddock. Oh look, I don't know if you can see this actually because it's pretty dark, but we're in some sort of valley. Look, you can see the valley there. You got the moon, that's Jupiter, but there's not much action down here. Onward! The spooky roads of Bonfire Night 2022. Yeah, unfortunately, guys, we can't find any displays. We were going to go and find a display to go and watch, but there's nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh wow, it looks awesome. It looks like a horror movie.
Jeepers Creepers. Jeepers Creepers. Where do you get those deep?
Oh, wow, what a knobhead. I don't care about no mist. Oh wow, this is awesome. It's scary, I guess, yeah, so just take your time. You do just fine. So, you see that card in front, guys? Again, Amanda and Louise and Amanda were sticking their fingers up to him because something happened. They wouldn't let us in, so there was a big swearing. And there's a gang of 5 boys in there. I'm like, you're gonna get me fucking battered. I don't know. As long as they keep going, I will probably survive the night because we're going off in a minute anyway. So I feel lucky. I was like, look, I can count 3 in the back and there's 2 in the front, and they're all quite big boys, like. I was like, oh, for fuck's sake, girls, you're gonna get me battered. You better run, you pussies. Amanda and Louise were like, let's follow him. I'm like, no, let's not follow him. ICC Cymru, what's that? Yeah, what is it?
It's like a convention centre.
Oh. So we've come up to Christchurch, and have a look at this. Oh wow, look at that, look. Wow. Oh, look, all the cars. Oh, mate! All the cars are like proper, like, backed up. Everyone's got the same idea, see? There's like a shack over there. We're going to go check that out and see if they got any hot chocolate. Some people over there, they've got some nice views. What is that over there? That looks amazing. Wow, look at that. So there's a shack here, so we're going to go check that out. Then we're going to go and have a look more of the lights and stuff. So we've got some hot dogs. What have we got? So we've got the classic, the cheese dog, and Jack Daniels, mince pies. What are you having, man? Do you know? For a hot dog? Okay, we're going to go for a cheese dog, Logan. What do you think?
I don't like it.
Oh, great, don't like hot dogs. Well, they only do hot dogs, mate. So I'm not going to lie, this looks pretty shit, to be honest. The bread feels raw. Fucking hell. I don't know. Man, do you want any sauce? Where's she gone? Yeah, so we're basically gonna share a cheese dog, me and Mandem. Fireworks seem to stop. Oh, they're setting off fireworks up here. Here we go. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. They set one fire over, coughing no more. Oh, I don't know about that. Too much cheese on it. Here we go. Here we go. Fire! Whoa. So the mince pie, I've picked the crappiest place in the world to do. It's weird, they've got like a sponge on top.
Sponge top.
Ah. I've never had a mince pie like that before, it's actually really nice. Mmm. I bet. Harry Potter, the boy who lived, come to die. Whoa. Yeah, mate. Yeah. I tried doing a sniff.
Right, don't hold it that high, mate.
But it burnt my, the insides of my nose.
Positive.
Spell your name, mate. Nice. Oh wow. Boom, just dig it in the floor. Well, that's cool, isn't it, over there? Smile, mate. Smile. Fireworks. Ooh. Have fun, mate?
Yeah.
Spell your name. Right, Spudboys.
Oh, fine. How do you spell it?
S.
Spur?
I
think it's going to run out.
Spudboys.
Spur?
There's another one going. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be the end of the vlog, I think. That is super bright. I can't see anything. Yeah, so I hope it was good. You know, you had a bit of Halloween in there. You had a bit of me falling over and almost breaking my leg. And you had a little bit of bonfire night. So, yeah. So, man. Can you say anything?
I blind.
I know. Like, I need to say anything? Look, I need to say anything?
Like and subscribe.
You look like Gollum. Right, guys. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I will catch you all on the flip side. Now, unfortunately, I can't do my beep, beep, beep because I'm holding the light. But I'm going to try something a bit different. You do it for me, man. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah.